located. So how to reach that thing? So router will tell you how to reach. It will forward your packets. What is the router functionality? Forward your packets. Router forward I'm confusing packets, switch packets, switches. Okay, it forward the packets towards the destination. Towards the destination. You know how router will work. First, you want to reach google.com. So you are trying to communicate with a google.com IP address. So you send a packet with a google.com IP address. So router actually don't know where is google.com. Just it forward the packets to the next one, then next and next and next. Finally it will reach. Okay. So, but while it is forwarding in the path of best path to reach the destination path only. Best path means, guys, you start from your home, you want to reach the destination. Destination means, for example, railway station or airport or maybe a bus stand, main bus stand. You want to go to somewhere, or you are going to college, or maybe you are going to office. There is not a one way, guys. There's a lot of different ways to go to reach the destination. What is the best way to reach the destination? No traffic road. Shorter the distances. One path is 5 kilometers. Another path is 8 kilometers. Which is best? One way you go, that is 5 kilometers only. Another way is 8 kilometers. Which is best? 5 or 8?
5 kilometers.
5 is best, right? So it is shorter the distance. Second, the 5 kilometers full of traffic. 8 kilometers very light traffic. 8 kilometers one very light traffic. 5 kilometers full traffic. Main road full traffic. Which is best now? 8 kilometers route light traffic. 5 kilometers route heavy traffic. Which is best route now?
8 kilometers, sir.
8 kilometers become best. Why? Because of lighter traffic. Even if it is a 5 kilometers, lesser the distance because of traffic, you will delay. Okay, 8 kilometers, even the distance is more, but it is very less way we can able to, very less time we can able to reach the destination. Okay, not only these two parameters, there is a few more parameters. Number of stops. For example, I want to go to college or my organization, like office, I have to go morning, right? So one route having a 5 stops, another route having a 8 stops. So 5 stops less delay, 8 stops more delay. So I choose 5 stop one. Plus these two things, distance, delay means traffic kind of stuff. Delay roads, small narrow road is there. Even it is a empty road, it is a narrow road, you can't go very faster, right? You have to go very slow. Okay, even two vehicles are difficult to fit in the road sometimes. So that time it is you cannot overtake. So that is bandwidth. That is a bandwidth. Broad road, more traffic in broad road, small road with less traffic. So both are almost like a thing. So you have the routers will calculate these paths and choose which is the best path to reach the destination by using the routing protocols. Routing protocols. Okay. So that is why router chooses best path to reach the destination. In generally, all our routers in the world, lot of routers are there, right? We are a global communication means WAN type of communications, networks of network, lot of routers we have to cross to reach the destination. to cross we have to reach the destination. We have to cross lot of routers in between. Okay, so these routing protocols will calculate based on the distance, traffic, delays, bandwidths, number of stops. So based on these parameters, these metrics, the word they use, metrics. Based on these metrics, they will give you a metric value. So based on that, we can able to forward our packet. Forward packet will be forwarded. Okay. So these protocols are dynamic routing protocols. Here I written differently, guys, not a different, same points only, guys. Router use routing table. The table will tell you how to go. Yeah, we have to go left side, right side, like that, right? So you have to go left side or right side, straight. That is a routing table will tell you. Meaning is, okay, in a router, there is a several connections are there. Once from your to ISP, once you reach from ISP, so different routers, different paths are there. Which side is best? Which side is best? So that will be decided by routing tables only. Okay, of course, in our routers, in our home routers, it's a only single path. You send it, it will forward the packet to ISP only. But at ISP, again, different paths are there. Okay, so it is different paths to reach the destination is there. Okay, so which side path is best? Okay, how it will decide by routing table. How this routing table is created? That's these two lines. How this routing table is created? You can create manually. You can create a routing table using manually. You can create routing table manually. So that is called as static routing. So you are telling go this side only. Like when you are in a school days, like your mom said, go like this only one direction. No multiple choice question. It is only one direction. It is go like this only. Okay, no dynamic. It is only static routing. Okay, manually created routing tables by static routing concept. Routing tables are created by automatically also. We can create these routing tables, means it automatically it will create by using routing protocols. Different routing protocols are there. These are all dynamic routing protocols. What is the use of these dynamic routing protocols, guys? Earlier I said point, right? So what is that point? Dynamic routing protocols calculate these metrics like what is the best path, okay, to reach the destination. Okay, it automatically calculates using certain metrics like a distance, bandwidth, delay, traffic, link connectivity, link speed. Okay, so like that. Okay, so it will calculate using different metrics. It will tell you what is the best path to reach the destination. What are these routing protocols? Mainly two divisions. One is IGP, EGP, Interior Gateway Protocol, Exterior Gateway Protocol. Interior Gateway Protocols are RIP. Current version is version 2 only we are using. Version 1 is out of it is very old routers it will use, but RIP version 2 we are using. EIGRP, OSPF. RIP means Router Information Protocol, Routing Information Protocol. EIGRP, Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. And OSPF, Open Shortest Path First. Out of these three protocols, EIGRP is the more powerful as compared to the RIP and OSPF. Okay. So why it is? Because RIP based on the number of hops means number of stops. OSPF based on the link bandwidth. But EIGRP will calculate based on all. Simply guys, you want to go to some place, use a Google Map. Google Map will calculate the traffic and the delays, and it will tell you which is the better path. So, okay. Sometimes, last time I checked two routes. One is, last time I checked from Delhi airport to Noida office or 70s office, and Noida airport to 70s office. Delhi airport to Noida office is 22 kilometers, almost 1 hour plus hours it is there. 1 hour, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 10 minutes, something is there. So then I check from Noida airport to Noida office. It's a 68 kilometers, but same 1 hour only, 1 hour 15 minutes, something like that. Okay. So what is the difference? Traffic. Distance is more, but still there is a traffic, right? BGP, Border Gateway Routing Protocol, ISIS, Intermediate System protocols. Okay. So these are the basic points in a router, guys. What is a router? Router it is actually. Router is an intelligent device. That is not main important point. That is, router is internetworking device. Router is a internetworking device. Internetworking means which communicates between two or more networks, different networks. You can use between word also here. It communicates between two or more different networks. We use a router for both LAN and WAN communications, and router is as per OS layer, it is layer 3 device, network layer. Route means path, best path to reach the destination. Router shows best path to reach the destination. Interconnecting device means internally we are having a LAN communication. When you want to communicate outside of your LAN, you have to go through router only. You have to go through router only. Networking router or Cisco routers, you can use the word, okay. Yeah, this is our Wi-Fi routers. Wi-Fi router is combination of multiple things, but I am searching for a Cisco router kind of stuff. Cisco router, Juniper router, D-Link, these kind of routers are there. Okay. I will put it here, then it is always best. Yeah. Good in size. Okay. And inter-networking device diagram also, you can take it. Icon series diagrams. Okay. So it is not a router, it is something, it is switch or a DSP snooping. Of course, it is a switch, but it contains multiple things. See guys, this is how routers are there. In the worldwide, it is how it is connected. See, firewalls. The red color, when you see the red part, that is firewalls or ACL devices. Okay. The red one is represent firewall. This is firewall. This is router. There is a icons only, symbols only. It is router. Okay. So how it is connected? This is one organization. This is another organization. The ISP1, ISP2. Sorry, and this is how they are connected. Different networks. Just I'm searching for a simple network only. Okay, not a very complex one. This is also good. This is good one actually. They given a stamp on it. No problem. Okay, no problem. We are using, but you have to remove these labels. See this? This is a different network. This is different network. This is different network. We are using the router here. Hello? Yes, sir. I'm good. Okay. Yeah. Like this, also you can use a symbol. Something a point I want to add, but I forget why I forget what I forget. I don't remember. Okay. So this is guys. What I said, you are in the different network. For example, 2 points I will tell. This is ping command. What is the use of ping command? To test connectivity between two devices. I am here. I have a connectivity to my mobile phone through network, or maybe I have a connectivity to my other computer. Okay. So for example, I have two computers and I want to test from A to B the connectivity is there or not. To test it, I am using ping command. So ping is basically a test, testing purpose, not texting, testing related command. Okay, so network troubleshooting related, in that one testing connectivity between two devices. For example, from me, may I have a connectivity to google.com? Okay, so I am here, I want to test whether I am able to send a packet and receive a packet from google.com, www.google.com. Okay, so I'm getting a 0% loss, 4 cent for received. It means I received a packet, means ping is successful. I'll, why I'm telling this one, I will tell differently. Okay, so I will tell trace RT. Guys, trace RT will tell you how you reach destination. Ping will tell you, are you able to reach the destination or not? Okay, ping will tell you, are you able to reach the destination or not? Yes, in by ping, I understand I can able to reach the destination. By trace RT, how I reach to google.com, how I reach this google.com. The first one is my packet is went to my local router. Okay, they have taken a ACT crop, then the packet is forward to ACT, means what we say ISP provider, from my PC to my local router to ISP, ISP to some other router, and then other router, then other router. Finally, we'll reach the destination. I think second, third, fourth are belongs to ACT only, means ISP only, because there is a lot of junctions between this me and ISP. Now, finally, I reach the destination. You can see IP address here, IP address here. Finally, I reach the destination. Guys, somewhat understand small part. So first, from my PC to this router, then this router, then this router, then this router, this router, this router, this router. Finally, I reach the destination. So this is what is meant by trace RT. So trace RT will tell you how you reach the destination. How you reach the destination. Ping will tell you, did you reach the destination? Are you able to reach the destination or not? This is I will change my like a user one. So because it's more unique. So ping will tell you, are you able to reach the destination or not? It is for a testing whether two devices are able to communicate or not. Okay. And trace RT will tell you how do you reach the destination. So this is our router will forward the packet to the destination. Guys, understand this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The next one, guys, modem. Next one is modem. So we are doing only one per a day. Very slowly we are doing, right? Guys, this is a modem part. So last part in the networking. Of course, I will give you a small break afterwards. Then also I will take one more thing. Okay. We are going very slowly. I think so. If I am in home, I will finish main part by this time. Only one or two left or tomorrow. Guys, here a modem. Modem means modulator and demodulator. Normally, we are having a voice signal, but we can able to hear the voice signal from FM radio. How? Normal voices cannot be go like a more than 5 meters, 10 meters kind of stuff also. Very weak signal. Once you reach certain distances, the voice we cannot able to hear. Now we can able to hear through FM radio, AM radio, mobile phones. How it is possible? Because of modulation. Okay. So this is, for example, frequency modulation. We tune to the 104 and 98.5, 93 point something 8. Okay. So what is this 93.8, 93.5, 95.3? Something is there now. So those are nothing but your carrier signals, carrier frequency. Once you choose this carrier frequency, then we can take out this original data. So we are modulate and send, and we receive and demodulate and take the packet from it. Take the original signal. Okay. So that is the main one purpose of your modem. Guys, in our network, the network we use in LAN network or WAN network, whatever it is in the network, in switch and router network, in the network, the signals means your packet signals are digital type signal. This is a digital wave type signal. It is means pulse type of signal. It is okay, not analog signals. It is a digital type of signals. It is. These signals cannot be travel long distance. Long distance from your home to ISP, it cannot travel. Okay, what they will using? They are using a modem to convert this signal into analog form of signals, and forward to the ISP to others, ISP to from ISP to other routers. Like that, it will forward. Okay, so your modem is usually for connecting your network to internet via ISP, internet service provider. You cannot connect it to internet directly, so you need some intermediate, that is your ISP provider, service provider, internet service provider will make you connected to internet. Okay, so modem make you to connect it to ISP. It meaning is your modem is make you connected to internet. You receive a internet to your modem only. Modem to router. Okay, that is the part. Okay, it is there. Some Wi-Fi routers are routers. There is having a built-in modems, and your router act like a default gateway. Router IP address is default gateway IP address. Okay, this is again I'm telling about I'm writing about a default gateway part. But guys, you have a Wi-Fi router. Your one Wi-Fi router is how many things? I will give you a list of networking parts. Networking devices. Again, see, look at here. First of all, from outside to inside, from internet to us, right? Internet to our devices. So we need a modem. Okay, we need a modem. Next one is modem is connecting your network to internet, right? So you receive a internet to modem. From modem is in the different network, but it should connect it to our local network, right? So what we are using, we use a router. We are using a router. So I'm writing in reverse order here. So this is internet or connection from ISP to modem. Then modem is connected to router because modem is in different networks. Okay, the modem IP address, receiving IP address from ISP, that is different IP address, different logical network. You cannot directly connect it. So what we do, we use a router to route, means we route to the our local network, connecting outside network to inside network. We need a router, and I have a computers, so then I need a switches or a access point. I have a computers, so then I need a switch or a access point to connect the devices. It's a word is access point and switches both are same. Some people call it as access switches, means it's unmanageable switches are nothing but a access point switches. Okay, switches are two types, like manageable and unmanageable, right? Unmanageable means default switch. You put it, connect it, use it. Okay, so manageable switches we can able to configure. That's also there. So ISP, modem, router to switch, and router to here. You can connect it to your PC, means your computers, laptops with wire. We can able to connect it. It's a wire type of connectivity. It's a wire LAN. It's your basic LAN connectivity. It's a wired, that is enough. In case, in case you have a mobile phones and laptops, wireless devices are there, then you have to connect it to wireless point. Some people say wireless APs to your mobile laptops connected wirelessly. You need a wireless connection, then we need a wireless access point. Okay, so I hope you got the point, guys. Wirelessly you want to connect, we need a wireless access point. With wire you want to connect, you need a switch or a wired access point. Okay, AP wireless AP means wireless access point. You know, this is the one thing is there that is called a WLAN. So earlier it is LAN is there. This is a LAN, but this is wireless LAN. WLAN means wireless LAN. Don't say wide means wide area network, local area network, wide area network. This is a wide area local LAN network. No, 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 no. Okay. WLAN means wireless LAN. LAN is LAN only, whether it is wired or wireless. Generally, wired LAN is LAN. WLAN means wireless LAN. Now we are having a mixing also there. Okay. In our home, nowadays we are all having a Wi-Fi. So you are connecting internet or a connection from ISP to your Wi-Fi router WAN port. Okay. So this Wi-Fi router, our Wi-Fi router in general in our home, this is a Wi-Fi router. It is a combination of modem plus it is a router plus wireless access. Built-in access point is also there because we can connect wirelessly, wireless access point. Plus there is a small switch, like a switch hub connection is there. Okay, switch LAN ports also there. So available. So that's why it is. We can connect any wireless devices, right? Like a mobile phones, laptops, we can connect it, and wired devices also can connect it. It contains this switch port kind of stuff. Okay. Every Wi-Fi router having a different setup is there, guys. SSID. Service set identifier. What is this SSID? Now I have to change everything. Colors, backgrounds, black. How to change the background color it is. Actually, I want to put this thing in earlier. Initially, I started in okay, in a Microsoft Word only. There are a lot of options are there. Okay, but what I think, it is easy to share from here instead of Microsoft kind of stuff, and it is very slower. SSID stand for Service Set Identifier, and it is your network name. For example, I want to connect it to Wi-Fi. When I click on the Wi-Fi icon, so then it will give the list of available Wi-Fi or a wireless access point names. Then we have to click on it, then give the password. Okay, then we will get a connectivity. Just only SSID I'm telling. Okay, that is the point I want to tell. But last one in this one is I want to give a picture to you, which is I have drawn, and I don't want to draw in this place. Okay. So guys, this is small office, home office. Okay. Can you see? What is what I explained here? Same thing. I put it here. You can see it is. So this is a modem which make you connect, like you can connect to the internet via ISP. So once you receive internet through modem, then this internet should be go to your PCs. But we have a multiple PCs, then we have to go through this router only because we are using different LAN network in this side, and this is a different logical network. So what we are doing? So we distribute through router. So you have a wired devices, you need a switches or a direct switch access points to connect wired devices. And if you have a wireless devices, you need a wireless access point. Okay. So these are connecting internet. So there are, yeah. So through router to modem, router to this. One people got a question, where is modem is located? Modem is located after router, means router, then modem and internet connection. Okay, after router means this side or that side. Okay, that confusion is there. So that is what we are trying to put. Another point is, guys, default gateway once again. See, A want to communicate it to B. So A send a packet to switch to B. So it is no involvement of this router and modem. If in case A want to send a packet to google.com, then A send to the switch to router, then outside. When you are communicating outside of your network, you have to send packet through your gateway only. By default, there is a default gateway, which is our router act like a default gateway, and the IP address of that router is our default gateway IP address. So that's the point. Okay. Next, yeah, default gateway point. Something I'm missing, but still I didn't connect it to that. Okay, guys, remaining is also there, like a what is firewall, okay, and other few more things. Topologies completed, right? So we are done the topologies part. Okay, we have discussed all the topologies yesterday, and I told about ping and traceRT, just basic thing only, but these are the networking commands. This is about IP address, but I want to tell about IP addresses are not completed in a very simple way, but just take a break, only 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes means again 110 exactly. 2 minutes, okay, 2 to 3 minutes, 2 minutes only there. So I will tell about just 20 minutes about OSA layers. What are the OSA layers? Okay, and what is protocols and port numbers? That's it only. I will give you explanation of each and every layer later. Okay. One is OSA layer, just layer names. Okay, and basic information about it, and the protocols and port numbers. Next class, I will discuss about a complete set of OSA layers and IP addresses, and so the networking part will be completed. Okay, so take a 2 minutes of break. Just relax. Meanwhile, I will stop recording and I will have a water.